Let's talk about metaphors in your song lyrics. You hear people say don't use mixed metaphors, and people like Katy Perry prove that you can write songs that have mixed metaphors. Firework has got them all over the place, and Landslide, but well-beloved song, has so many mixed metaphors in it. It's not a hard and fast rule. However, I would say it's probably better to go with a consistent metaphor in your lyric, and I'm going to give you an example. I had a student who brought in a song. She had been using, like, referencing electricity in a couple places, different electricity words. But then in the chorus, she said something about a taste of your own medicine, which I said, okay, I feel like we're mixing concepts here, and I feel like it's better to keep consistent with the electricity metaphors that you've gotten started. So we kind of talked through, we started brainstorming electricity words, voltage, capacitor, and, joules, amps, current, words that are associated with electricity. Now, you're obviously not going to write a song that talks about joules and amperes in it. You could probably write one and prove me wrong on that. But my point was, first just brainstorm a bunch of electricity words and then see how we might adjust this line of lyric so that it feels like it's conceptually more consistent with the imagery created with the electricity metaphors earlier in the lyric. And what we came up with was, we were talking about that thing where you take a cliche phrase and you swap out one word that rhymes instead. So I said, I feel like a dose of your own medicine is probably a little more commonly used than a taste of your own medicine. And a dose with the O vowel, and I was like, what about a jolt of your own medicine? Like, what if, because a jolt is an electricity related word. So you got all these electricity lyrics, and then you say, and I hope you get a jolt of your own medicine. We felt like that was a really cool way to end the chorus, more interesting than taste of your own medicine. So we're using two things at once. We're being consistent with metaphor, and we are swapping out one of the words in a cliche. Bam, two writing techniques.